Welcome to AMS. In this video, I will solve a set math problem. I will solve this question by using the substitution method. How? So let's find out the answer. So our given question is, if fx is equals to x plus 1 whole square, what is the value of fx plus 2? So our given function is fx is equals to x plus 1 whole square, right? And our required function is fx plus 2. So in order to solve this equation, we will replace this x with x plus 2, with this x plus 2, right? So this x plus 2 will insert inside our given function. This is here, right? So what we will get? Simply, if fx, so we will write x plus 2 at this place x, and here this x will replace with x plus 2 plus 1 and whole square will remain same. Now we will just simplify this equation. How? fx plus 2 is same as before, and x is same, and 2 plus 1 is 3 and whole square, right? Now you can see that this is becoming a plus b whole square form, right? Which is equal to a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So if a is this x and b is 3, so we can write the whole square formula for x plus 3 is fx plus 2 is same as before, x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. Now just simplify. fx plus 2 as it is equal to x square. This x square is x square. 2 is to 3 equal to 6, and x is same, and 3 square is 9. So this is the solution of our given equation. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.